Welcome to my UBC Masters of Educational Technology e-portfolio, which is a synthesis of my learning that explores the links between theory, research, and current practices using educational technology. The audience for my EP is myself, my course instructor Dr. Fang, and my educational peers, in the program and in my school board. The design concept for my EP is to market myself. I present myself as valuing innovation, inquiry, and inspiration by having these words that start with I, typically associated with interconnectedness of computing technologies and the Internet, grow out of the I in my first name. The navigation is organized in two ways. Firstly, the viewer can use the menu at the top of the page to go directly to any page. Under Home, there is the following supportive pages: About, Contact, References, and Rubric. Secondly, the viewer can be guided through the EP starting on the home page by reading the page and then using the Next button for linear movement through the content. On the home page, I introduce my EP with the overarching question, how can digital technologies be leveraged to produce deep learning by embracing multiliteracies, constructivism, and creativity? Each of the body content areas, Innovate, Inquire, and Inspire, and the conclusion that looks to future learning, Insight, contains a more specific sub-question for that topic area. There are 4 quick links to anchored material on the home page, which are ETEC590 requirements that frame the EP: Take a Tour, Design, Purpose, and Concept Map. The Design section describes the theme and the organization of the learning content. Innovate refers to embracing digital technologies and online learning spaces to learn in ways consistent with learning theories. Inquire showcases inquiry and problem-based learning that is grounded in constructivist learning theory. Inspire shares creativity in the use of visual, auditory, and spatial digital media. Lastly, Insight refers to future learning pursuits that have developed from my experiences in this program. Finally, I included a concept map that shows myself at the center using I, surrounded by the content areas, Innovate, Inquire, Inspire, and Insight, which are aligned with learning artifacts from specific courses. The 4 skill domains of 21st century learning, ways of thinking, ways of working, tools for working, and living in the world are at the center of the content areas, since they are threaded through all of my learning. A rationale is included below the map. Selecting Next will bring the viewer to the first main idea, which has a sub-question, introductory comments, and 3 buttons to specific topics that show my learning. The content for each opens in a new window. Each specific topic contains overall commentary, an artifact explanation, and reflections. There is a Next button at the bottom of each to bring you to the next specific topic or next main idea. Innovate, Inquire, Inspire, and Insight are all organized in the same fashion. After the Insight page, the viewer is directed to the References page and then the Google Form rubric where the EP can be assessed according to my self-selected criteria. At this point, the viewer can visit my About page and then return to the home page. Thank you for taking the tour. I hope that you enjoy my EP experience.